All right, it's that time of year. We take a long, hard look at what the winter has done to our skin and our moods.
And it's not quite good right about this time, no. But lifestyle and beauty expert Mickey Williams is here to show us some healing and hydrating products to get us ready for spring. And Mickey, your first product makes 100% sense.
Yes.
Our skin is hurting, and it needs to be healed. So you got some wound dressing here.
Well, I mean, if you're in my mommy community, Lavior became like their eczema cream became this incredible fine product. Okay, this is the eczema cream right here. But then I was introduced to the wound. This is amazing. This is basically a hydrogel wound dressing. Okay. What's so cool about this is that it helps. It helps everything heal faster, like your cuts, your burns. It just helps. But
What
also
about
helps
your acne marks?
You know what? It's amazing. It's amazing on any of that, but it's because it also has
Damaged
soothing.
skin.
It's got these like soothing natural ingredients, and it's great for burns. You know, like when your skin dries out in winter, it's so prone to scarring.
Yes.
So this is one of my favorite products so far. I can't tell you how many boo-boos Ace has gotten that we put this on, but also myself. Like my skin, anytime you pinch it, it looks like it's got cut on it or something like that. It's great because it has these like botanical ingredients. It's safe. It helps heal works on protecting the skin barrier. It's not like something that's going to dry it out more when you put it on.
Yes.
So I love this wound healing, and I'm also a huge fan of the eczema. Just a great product you get at Walmart. So it's super easy.
Okay, great.
How you say it again?
Lavior.
Lavior.
Yes.
Lavior.
Epicutis, I can say that one.
Yes, Epicutis has become one of my favorite creams. They have this cream that just really helps. Oh my gosh, like when you feel like you're gonna crack. But one thing that we found when your skin is super dry in the wintertime is to use a cleansing oil. Now that sounds like really, really crazy for a lot of people, but what makes Epicutis cleansing oil different is that it has the micelles, but it doesn't, a lot of the cleanser oils have the micelles, but they're wrapped with detergents. So this does not have any of this. It's only got 9 ingredients all there. That's the difference between this. It is a little bit pricier, but my goodness, you use a pump of it, and it's just an amazing product, and it takes away everything.
I was getting ready to say, does your makeup melt off?
Okay, so the micelles wrap around all the dirt and the kind of like makeup and everything, and it's just the cleanest feeling, but without your skin feeling stripped. So you're going to try this out.
Yes, I am definitely. I'm looking forward to that. Dagenais?
Definage.
Definage, I'm sorry.
One of my absolute favorites.
Okay, so this is an Amy favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah, she took it. I think there's a
pump.
Oh,
I just
or you take the top off. Yeah. We were playing with it. Okay,
that's how you use it.
She's broken.
Really? Oh my
Let's try this one.
Okay.
It has been one of those mornings. That's all I can tell you. But the thing that everybody said about this cream is that why don't they make a body cream? Because this is in a face cream. Definage works with these things called defensives, which really help kind of like reverse aging. So when it comes to your body and all of that crepey skin, it is a luxe cream. This is a very luxe cream. It has a high price tag, but it sells out because it works so incredibly.
It takes care of old lady hands. That's the
shins. If you're getting any of that crepiness and you want to lather it on, this is like anti-aging cream for your body. And every time anyone asks me, is it worth it? I always say, if you've got the price, if you can afford it, it is 100% worth it. Yes, I love that cream.
Okay, so this is something that I love using on my kids. How is this going to help us?
Okay, so do you know how everybody's talking about like doing these kinds of things where you go and you put all these creams on, 17 different layers, and you go to bed and you sit there? Okay, I call this the best way to bake any kind of super serums into your skin. So when it's really cold out and you want to use like a lip product that has like, you know, Aquaphor is very, very basic, right? It's just a basic thing, but most people don't break out from it or they have any kind of irritation with it. That's why you use it on your kids. But say you want to use your most expensive serum or you want to give the ends of your hair a really good treatment, wrap it with Aquaphor afterwards. Do that kind of caking into your skin. Wrap this on. This will create a shell that will hold the product inside your skin to where it has that maximum penetration.
Dehydrate.
And the Aquaphor, and also I always say, if you're going to Aquaphor your face before you go to bed, make sure you put on your most expensive product that you want to use underneath it. Put that on afterwards. I mean, this is an incredible fix and hack. But then put on a humidifier, and you will wake up to the most beautiful, saturated with moisture skin.
Oh, that
beautiful.
is a wonderful beauty hack.
Okay, crawl in.
Yeah, just jump in there because this thing is amazing.
Okay, so this is like the absolute best. So this works on your mood. It works on detoxifying you. It works on everything. This is a higher dose. This is their infrared sauna blanket. Amy is very aware of this product.
I love this thing.
Lauren Berlinger and Katie Capps created this company called Higher Dose in 2016, and this is what it's just, they're like a biohackers and entrepreneurs. What's so beautiful about this is that they created created this blanket, and what it does is it really and truly enhances the benefits of like, just basically restoration, right? So it works on if you're trying to like, what is it, like muscles when you're working out? It helps restore that.
Yep.
It's great on doing like detoxifying. It's just an incredible
Skincare,
product. Skincare,
relaxation.
and it's also healing and calming energy. It has tourmaline. It has amethyst layers in here. It has charcoal in here. It has everything in here. Now I want you to just put your hands inside, because you see what you do is you crawl in and you zip up.
Oh, yes.
And it has its own timer, so you can't just sit in there.
You can't bake all day. You just don't want to do it right before you go to bed because it wakes you up a little bit.
Does it? It puts me to sleep.
Oh, does it?
Yes. I mean,
it wakes me up.
unbelievable.
Okay.
It's
I'm warming
unbelievable.
up
It
'cause I'm
really takes
freezing.
me down the nuts. But that's so funny. You're the second person who's
I
told
sweat
me.
and it raises my heart rate.
And then, so it
then
has all of
yeah.
these effects. If you can go, not all of us can go sit at the higher dose
Totally.
spa
Right.
and sit into an infrared
Or get in a sauna.
sauna. This is your sauna at home,
it
and it is
is.
so detoxifying. It's so healing, and it's also so calming. I love this blanket. It's worth every penny.
That is awesome.
It is my
Mickey.
detoxifying right here in the
She's-
studio.
yes,
I am in yes. Oh,
Tanya's
this feels so
frosting.
good. I am. Oh, please.
Mickey, thank you.
Yes, thank you, Mickey. And sharetheglam.com is where you can get more information.